Hey y'all, in this video I'm doing some skincare and some hair maintenance. I'm showing you how I cleared my acne. In the photo you can see that I had a lot of acne and I wore a lot of makeup trying to cover that up, and I cleared that with just a few inexpensive products, which I'm going to be showing you how I did it. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashima if you're new here. Today I'm starting off with hair maintenance. I have had these Senegalese twists in for about, I'll say, 2.5 weeks. I use this anti-itch moisturizing spray that I got from the hair supply store, and it was only $7.99, and it has olive oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, and tea tree oil, and it prevents the scalp from being dry, itchy. It prevents hair breakage, frizzy hair, and odor buildup. So it's a 5-in-1 growth conditioner spray, anti-itch moisturizer. So I just take this and I spray this all over my scalp, and then I'll massage that in. And so far it really helps. I've been using it since I had these in. Before I put these in, I was looking for something that would keep my scalp moisturized and keep the dandruff away. I can't say I still have a little bit of dandruff, but it's not as much. So yeah, I just spray this all over in between those parts, especially back here. It gets really itchy, and then I go ahead and massage that in. I do use this product every single night before I go to bed. I'll do this step, and it has been working. It controls the itchiness. I'm not scratching my scalp as much, and it helps prevent a lot of dandruff. I'll say it doesn't prevent all of it, but it has helped. I'm going to take this argan oil and I'm going to follow up and put this in between my parts as well. And I've always done this even before I started using the spray. I've always used an oil on my scalp every night if I have a protective style in, and I think it just helps with controlling that dandruff as well and promotes hair growth. So I'm making sure I get this all over, and then I'm going to go ahead and massage that in once I have it all over my scalp. As you can see, there's not a lot of dandruff. My hair has grown out a lot since I put these in, and it's really good. For those that don't know, I am transitioning to natural from relaxed. So the faster my hair grows, the quicker I can cut off all of those dead, dry, relaxed ends and start my natural journey. So I am happy with the progress so far. Stay tuned for more protective styles. I will be showing you guys how I protect my hair while I'm transitioning. So once I've completed those 2 steps, I'm taking this hair scarf that I purchased at Walmart a long time ago, and I'm just going to wrap my hair. So I kind of drape it over the top, and then I tie it in the back and bring it back around front and wrap it. I try not to do it too tight, because if you do it too tight, you will get a headache and you will wake up unhappy. So don't do it so tight, but secure it enough where it will not come off while you're sleeping. So that is it for the hair. Let's move on to the face. Y'all, my skin has come a long way. I've had acne ever since I was in high school. So I was fed up and I wanted to find something to make that acne go away, because I was grown with 3 kids and I shouldn't be looking like a teenager. So the first product that I'm using is this Vitamins and C Beauty. It is Amino Gel Facial Cleanser, and it has sea minerals and collagen. So I start off by making sure my face is wet, and I use just 1 pump. I lather that up, and then I cleanse my face. I do this every night and every morning, and since I've been using this product, it has helped my acne stay gone. It's cleared up my dark spots, and it I want to say it helps me my wrinkles, but I don't have any wrinkles. I never had wrinkles, so I'm trying to just prevent those. So I'm also going to use this brush that I purchased from, I want to say Dollar General, and y'all, it feels so good. It's so soft. So I'm cleansing my face with that as well, and it's just an extra step to make sure that my skin is fully cleansed. It does have a scrubber on, like a scrub brush on the back, and I'm going to take that and go over my face as well. This helps with the blackheads and whiteheads that I do get sometimes. And you can actually see them like stuck in the brush once you finish. So I'm just going to rinse my face off, take a clean paper towel, and dry my face. So sometimes I do get random breakouts, especially when it's about that time of the month. So I do use Cetaphil. After I use the other cleanser, I will use the Cetaphil as well, just as an extra step when I get breakouts. So I just started using this Retinol eye cream because, y'all, my job is wearing a sister out, and I've been noticing like dark circles under my eyes. So I purchased this Retinol eye cream. It is by Silkdermis, I think. But yeah, so I purchased that from Amazon, and so far so good. I don't have any complaints. The first day I used it, I could tell a difference. It just helped with the puffiness that I was having. So I'm going to continue using it, and I'll give y'all an update to let you know how it works, probably in about 30 days. I feel like I should be able to tell if it's doing anything, you know? I'm using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is my favorite product. As you can see, this has been through a lot and it is empty. So I purchased a new one, and y'all, this product is bomb. Okay? It hydrates my face. It helps with those dry patches on the sides of my nose. I had those so bad. It's just bomb. I have zero complaints. I'm also using this Neutrogena serum, this Hydro Boost serum as well. And I don't know if it's the hyaluronic acid that's in the product or what it is, but my acne is gone, my dark spots are gone, and my face stays clear. So purchase it if you would like, but I'm just telling you my experience. After I use those two products, I'm using this African shea butter. I purchased this, I think I got it from the hair supply store. I'm just using a little bit. A little goes a long way, and I'm just using that on top of all that product just to lock in that moisture. And look at that. Look at that girl's skin. Smooth like butter. Yeah, I'm so happy because it wasn't always like this. It was a struggle. So after I finish my skincare routine, I'm taking the ends of my Senegalese twists and I'm just wrapping those in a bun, and I'm going to put my bonnet on. Yep, I sleep with a bonnet on. My husband already know what it is, honey. This hair gotta last, okay, for at least a few weeks. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this skincare routine and this hair maintenance video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.